Creating a crypto arbitrage bot requires a combination of programming skills, knowledge of cryptocurrency exchanges, and understanding of arbitrage strategies. In this video, we will delve into how you can create a crypto arbitrage bot. Step 1. Define your arbitrage strategy. To start, you need to determine the specific type of arbitrage strategy you want your bot to execute. There are several common strategies. Price arbitrage involves taking advantage of price differences for the same cryptocurrency across different exchanges. For example, if Bitcoin is trading at $10,000 on exchange A and $10,200 on exchange B, you can buy on exchange A and sell on exchange B to capture the price difference. Triangular arbitrage exploits price discrepancies between three or more currencies. It involves a series of trades to profit from imbalances in exchange rates. For instance, if there is a price difference between BTC or ETH, ETH or LTC, and LTC or BTC, you can execute a series of trades to make a profit. Choose the strategy that aligns with your goals and technical capabilities. Step 2. Choose the exchanges. Research and select the cryptocurrency exchanges you want your bot to operate on. Look for exchanges with high trading volumes as they generally have better liquidity and narrower bid or ask spreads, making it easier to execute trades. Check if the exchanges provide APIs that allow you to programmatically access their services. Look for well-documented APIs that provide real-time market data, order execution, and account management functionalities. Evaluate the fee structures of different exchanges. Pay attention to trading fees, withdrawal fees, and deposit fees, as they can significantly impact your profitability. Ensure that the exchanges you choose have a good reputation and robust security measures in place. Step 3. Set up API access. Once you have selected the exchanges, you need to register accounts and obtain API keys. API keys are unique identifiers that allow your bot to interact with the exchanges' APIs. The API keys will provide access to various functionalities such as retrieving market data, placing orders, and managing your account. Each exchange will have its own API documentation, which you should thoroughly review. The documentation will guide you on how to generate API keys, authenticate your requests, and utilize the available endpoints for trading operations. It's essential to understand the rate limits, data formats, and error handling mechanisms provided by the APIs. Ensure you follow the security best practices recommended by the exchanges, such as keeping your API keys secure and limiting their permissions to only what your bot requires. Step 4. Develop the bot. In this step, you'll further develop your bot by implementing the logic and functionality necessary for executing your chosen arbitrage strategy. Implement the code that will execute buy and sell orders on the exchanges based on the identified arbitrage opportunities. Make sure to handle API authentication, order placement, order cancellation, and error handling. Implement the necessary code to fetch and update your account balances as well as manage funds for each exchange. Keep track for available funds, reserved funds, and executed trades to ensure accurate calculations for arbitrage opportunities. Set up monitoring and logging mechanisms to track the bot's activities and performance. Monitor API connectivity, market data updates, order execution status, and any errors that may occur. Logging this information will be helpful for debugging and analyzing the bot's behavior. Step 5. Implement risk management. To protect your capital and mitigate risks, it's crucial to incorporate risk management techniques into your bot. Determine the appropriate allocation of capital for each trade based on your risk tolerance and the size of the arbitrage opportunities. Consider factors such as available funds, trading volume, and liquidity. Implement stop-loss orders to automatically exit a trade if the price moves against your position beyond a predefined threshold. This helps limit potential losses and protect your capital. Continuously assess the risk of each arbitrage opportunity by considering factors such as market volatility, liquidity, and counterparty risk. Avoid taking excessive risks that could jeopardize your overall portfolio. Step 6. Backtest and optimize. Before deploying your bot with real funds, it's essential to backtest and optimize it using historical market data. Gather relevant historical market data for the trading pairs and exchanges you plan to operate on. Ensure the data includes price history, order book snapshots, and trade history. Simulate your bot strategy using the historical data. Run the bot using the past market conditions to evaluate its performance. Capture important metrics such as profitability, trade frequency, maximum drawdown, and risk-adjusted returns. Analyze the backtesting results to assess the effectiveness of your bot strategy. Identify areas for improvement such as optimizing parameters, adjusting risk management rules, or refining the trading logic. Step 7. Deploy and monitor. Once you're satisfied with the backtesting results and have optimized your bot, it's time to deploy it in a live trading environment. Set up a reliable hosting environment for your bot. This can be a dedicated server, a virtual private server, or a cloud-based platform. Ensure it has a stable internet connection, adequate computing resources, and backup measures. Monitor your bot's performance in real time. Keep an eye on the bot's activities, including trade execution, order book updates, and account balances. Watch for any errors or abnormal behavior and take prompt action if needed. Regularly update your bot to adapt to changes in exchange, APIs, market conditions, or regulatory requirements. Stay informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space and make necessary adjustments to your bot's code to ensure its effectiveness. Remember that developing a successful crypto arbitrage bot requires ongoing monitoring, adaptation, and continuous improvement. Be prepared to invest time and effort in maintaining and optimizing your bot to ensure its effectiveness in the ever-changing cryptocurrency market. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you with another interesting video.